What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we're doing a quick trade review on CLVS. Now, this was a stock alert that we put out a few weeks ago at this 26.24 level. I was mentioning in the stock alert to our community that this was a stock that we wanted to watch because of this bearish lead-in trend. It had set this short-term level of support. It had rallied up and wasn't able to take out that 50-day simple moving average. The 50-day was acting as a level of moving average resistance. It pushed price lower, and the day that I called it out, I was saying, watch that 26.24 level. The following day, the market gapped down, and you can see that it sold off beautifully. And from there, all it did was step down further and further. And today we had another gap down, and it just fell through the floor. CLVS has been one of the monster trades that we've put on in the trade alerts service for you guys. It's been a short-term swing trade, obviously to the downside. On day two of this, the options on this was up over 300%. Just to put that into perspective, I have not checked as of late where we were at with this massive sell-off, but the options that we were looking at on the chain were down significantly on day two, and rightfully so. So if you have any questions about this trade, CLVS, please feel free to email me. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. If you want to get yourself in front of trades just like this, feel free to join us in our Ask a Trader community, which will give you some insight as to the trades that we're putting on. There's actually a link just below. If you click that link, you can actually follow through and sign up to become a member of the Ask a Trader webinar that we host on Tuesdays and Thursdays live. And with that, you also get trade alerts sent out to you weekly. This is not the only trade that we've put on as of late that has absolutely crushed it. We've been playing a lot of relative strength, and we've had a ton of movers rip into the downside. And like I said, the community is doing great. If you want to join, there is a link below, and feel free to email me. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. I appreciate you watching this video, and we'll see you in the next market review.